students. I am Anushka teacher, and you know what we study? Today we are going to learn English. Okay? But, but before starting our lesson, let's sing one song. Okay, are you ready all?
Yes.
So let's sing one song. One, two, three, start. Today is the first day of school. So many new things I learn and do. But I'm feeling nervous and happy too. But it will be okay, it's my first day of school. Today is the first day of my school. So many new things I learn and do. I'm feeling nervous and happy too. But it will be okay. It's my first day of school. Do you have your backpack? Yes, I do. Do you have your bottle? Yes, I do. Do you have your tiffin? Yes, I do. Do you have your shoes? Yes, I do. It's the first day of my school. So many new things I learn and do. But I'm feeling nervous and happy too. But it will be okay. It's my first day of school. Will you greet your teacher? Yes, I will. Will you eat your tiffin? Yes, I will. Will you make new friends? Yes, I will. Will you make new friends? Yes, I will. Today is the first day of my school. So many new things I learn and do. I'm feeling nervous and happy too. But it will be okay. It's my first day of school. But it will be okay. It's my first day of school. But it will be okay. It's my first day of school. Children, all of you understood this poem?
Yes.
Okay. So tell me, on this thing it was based on about what that girl was telling about
School.
about school. Yes,
School.
good. It was her first day. Okay, and she was feeling very nervous, means upset also, and very happy. And what she is telling, in school she will learn so many new things. Okay, and do you have your bottle? Do you have your shoes? Okay, so everything she has taken, and now she is ready to go to the school. Then tell me, do you miss your school? You miss your school?
No.
Okay, you miss your school?
No. Yes.
No. Yes, okay. So some are missing, some are not missing. Okay, children, I also miss my school a lot. Okay, I want to go my school. I want to go to my school. There, especially my classroom, my blackboard, my students, everything I'm missing a lot. So, children, today our topic is something related to school only. Okay, the place where we sit, we learn. Okay, teacher teach. That place is called classroom, where the teacher teaches her students, where the students sit, where the students learn, they study. Okay, they play, they sing the poems. Okay, they take their tiffin, they eat their tiffin. Everything. That place is called a classroom. So today the topic is related to classroom only. The things in my classroom. Okay? Things in my class. Our topic is the things in my classroom. Before this lesson, children, we have already studied things that go together, things in our surrounding. So now we learn things in my classroom. What are the different things in my classroom? When I go to my school, when I enter in my classroom, these things I'll see. Those things we are going to learn today. We are going to see today. Okay? You all are ready?
Yes.
Very good. Before that, I'll show you something. Can you see this chart?
Yes.
Chart? Wait a minute, huh? Can you see this chart, children?
Yes.
See, here one boy and one girl, they both are going to their school. Okay?
Okay.
What they do? They study, they learn, they write. Okay? They read. In school, they sing the poems, they learn new rhymes, their teacher teach them new rhymes. Then the teacher teach them dancing, acting, okay, dramas, various things they learn in the school. Okay, they participate in various activities. In school, what they do, they play in the ground. Okay, they play in the devices in recess time. They play various games. Not only this, but children, they learn many good habits. The good habits they learn in the school. See, this is the picture of school. In school, the sir is telling something to the students. All the children are sitting down, okay, and they are learning something. Okay, sir is telling them, teaching them, and they all are learning. Understood? So,
Yes.
all things are related to classroom. All things are related to school and classroom. We have seen many things which are related to our classroom, the activities which are related to our classroom and our school. Okay, we learn, we sing, we play, we dance, we do many things in our school. Okay, so all of you understood? All of you understood what are the different activities which are related to school and classroom? Okay, and what is classroom? See, this is the picture of classroom. Here all the children are doing some activities and they are sitting down. The sir is telling them something and they are doing that activity. Okay, teacher teach her students, teacher teach his students, and students learn new things. They study, they read, they write. Okay, they play with their friends. That place is called a classroom. Okay, in classroom there are many different things like blackboard, posters, charts, desk, bench, door, window, cupboard, many things. Okay, so those things we will learn today. I'll show you one picture. Can you see this picture, children?
Yes.
Yes. Yeah. Children, this is the picture of classroom. Okay. Can you see this?
Yes.
Now
Yes.
let's see in this classroom what are the different things. Okay. You can relate with your own classrooms also. You have seen your classrooms, so you can relate with your classrooms also. Okay. So very first we'll enter from the door.
Yes.
Okay, you will enter from this door. When you will enter, you'll see the clock.
Long.
Okay, clock shows us time, the perfect time. Okay, then the desk benches. Here you sit and you study, you learn new things, you write, you read. Here tiffin box is there, one water bottle is there. Okay, here notebook and textbooks are there. Yes, here one ruler is there. Okay. See here what you can see.
Computer.
Yes, very nice. This is computer. Computer is for what? To study about computer, to understand the new things. Okay, to get information. Computer is required in the classroom. Your window for good air ventilation window is there. Okay, we can see the outside things also from here. And we'll go to teacher's table. This is teacher's table, right?
Yes.
Teacher's table, teacher's book is there, duster is there,
Tiffin.
chalk, scale. Okay, then chair, right? This is chair. Your teacher says, This is what, children?
Blackboard.
Board. Okay, green board. See, this color is green, so it is green board, huh? Then this is chart. Okay, chart. In your school, also in your classroom, you must have seen the charts, various charts. Okay, so this is chart. This is green board. Your teacher writes, solves the sum, writes the information. This blackboard is very important. This blackboard is called as friend of a teacher. Why it is friend of a teacher? Because teacher use this blackboard. Teacher use this board, whether it is blackboard, green board, or whiteboard. Okay, it comes in three color. Blackboard, which will be black in color.
Green board.
Green board, which will be green in color, and
Whiteboard.
whiteboard. So there are three types, three colors in the blackboard, in board. So teacher use this board for various things, many things, to write, to explain, to solve. Okay, so sorry, this board is very important. This is friend of a teacher. Then can you see the fan here?
Yes.
Fan is important. Then tube light.
Yes.
Here it is written standard 1. So it is first standard classroom. Right? Yes. And
Yes.
flooring is also there. Flooring is there. What else is remaining? We have covered all the points, no? Ruler, notebook, textbook, water bottle, tiffin, pen benches.
Chair. Table. Laptop.
Yes, computer. Okay. Everybody see this picture? All of you understood what are the things in the classroom?
Yes.
Yes. These are the various things in the classroom. Okay. Now we'll read the words. Okay, we'll read the words. In my classroom. Door.
Door.
Chair.
Chair.
Window.
Window.
Table.
Table.
Board.
Board.
Computer.
Computer.
Book.
Book.
Ruler.
Ruler.
Pencil.
Pencil.
Water bottle.
Water bottle.
Slate.
Plate.
Notebook.
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 These all things we have seen in the picture also, and we see these things in our classroom. Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
So these all things are related to our classroom, which we use in our classroom. Now children, tell me, what is this?
Bag.
You take back to the school?
Yes.
Yes. What we do with this bag? We put our notebooks, we put our textbooks, our compass box, our tiffin, bottle, everything we keep in this bag, and we take this back to school. So this is also very important to go to school.
Yes.
Classroom. You see this bag in classroom?
Yes.
Yes. Then, children, what is this?
Compass.
What is the use of this compass box?
Pencil, eraser, sharpener, color.
Yes, we keep many things in the compass box: the scale, pencil, sharpener, eraser, everything. Okay, so compass box is also, or sometimes we say pencil box. Okay, this is also very important. Children, what is this?
Bottle. Water bottle. Water bottle.
What is the use of this water bottle?
Water.
Yes, to drink water, to take water. Yes, water bottle is very, very important.
Important.
Now, children, what is this?
Tiffin.
Box. Lunch box. What is the lunch box? Yes, we say lunch box also, tiffin. So what is the use of this tiffin?
Eat.
Yes. What our mummy do? Mummy gives
Rice,
us
dal.
chapati. And you know what? In school also we get delicious, tasty, garma garam khichdi.
Bhaji.
We put that khichdi in this tiffin and we eat in the school, right?
Yes.
Eat khichdi in school?
Yes.
Yes. So for that purpose also we need this tiffin. Then what are these?
Shoes.
While going to the school you wear shoes? Yes? Yes, the shoes are also very important to go to the school. Then what is this?
Scale. Scale.
Ruler. Sometimes we say ruler also. Scale and ruler. So this
Ruler.
is also one important thing in the classroom. Teacher also use this ruler to show, to point out anything. Okay? Children, see. These are some charts. Have you seen such charts in your classroom?
Yes.
Yes, these are charts. Teacher use such type of charts to teach in classroom. Okay, to teach her students. So these are various charts. Okay, which we can see in our classrooms. These are charts. What? Chart.
Chart.
Then, what is this, children? What are these children?
Textbook. Textbook.
T-E-X-T B okay.
B double OK book.
B double OK book. Textbook. Okay, which we use to study. Okay, to learn poems, to learn lessons. Okay, these are textbook. A textbook. Then what's this?
Notebook. Notebook.
What? Notebook. What we do with this notebook?
A B C D.
We write.
Numbers.
Sometimes we read, we write. Okay, in this notebook. What is this? Pencil. It's not sharpened, that's why you don't understand. See, this is pencil. Okay, we write with this pencil.
Yes.
Children, what is this?
What is this? देखी नहीं रही हो? Color box.
Children,
Color box.
what is this?
Color box.
Crayons, na? Colors, na? Crayons?
Yes. Yes.
So we take these crayons for drawing, okay? To color the picture. So this crayons we can see in the classroom. Children, name these things.
Glues.
Sorry, glue,
Sketchy.
scissor,
Scissor.
tape.
Tape.
So these things also we have seen in the classroom in our school. We use such things for craft work, okay?
Yes.
Paperwork, paper folding, anything. We use these things and we make different new articles. So these things you must have seen in your classrooms. Okay, these things are also very important while studying in school. Okay. See, I have. This is what? Can you tell the name?
Sketch pen. Sketch pen.
Marker. Okay. See, I'll show you, children. These are sketch pens. Okay. And this is marker. My teacher is writing on whiteboard. Okay. Teacher uses marker. And these are sketch pens you use for coloring pictures. So these are marker. Understood? Marker, sketch pen. Marker, sketch pen. Things which we see in our classroom. You see this picture?
Yes. Chair.
What is this?
Chair.
Chair. Okay. So now, see how to say. This is chair. It is brown in color. This is a chair. It is brown in color. You see this chair in classroom?
Yes.
Yes.
Teacher.
Chair, no? Teacher sits on this chair. So this is chair and it is brown in color. Okay. Now you tell me. Okay.
Table.
Table. Brown in color.
Brown in color.
And this is brown in color.
Color.
Yes. Very good.
Pencil.
Pencil in green color.
Pencil.
Color of pencil.
Pencil. Pencil.
What is the color of this pencil?
Green.
Green and red.
Green and red. Okay.
Notebook.
Book. Notebook.
Good.
White in color.
White in color. And
Notebook. Notebook.
the use of this notebook? What we do? We
Read.
Sneaky. And writing.
Writing. Read.
we write in this notebook. We read the notebook. Yes. Good. Now tell what is this?
Paintbrush.
What is the use of this brush?
Color. Coloring.
To color. Yes. So you have understood the various things in classroom. Okay. We have seen many things in the classroom. Now we'll see one video. We are studying English today. This is my classroom. Our topic is things in my classroom. What are the various things in my classroom? This is the picture of classroom. Okay, a beautiful picture of classroom. What is the classroom? Where the teacher and the student are there.
Whiteboard.
Whiteboard. It is white in color. I told you, no? It is white in color. This is whiteboard. This is
Green board.
green board. Yes. Chalks.
Chalks.
Duster. Yes. This is duster. We should use this duster. This is what?
Table.
Table.
Chair.
Chair. Teacher sits on this chair. Desk.
Desk.
Where the students sit and do their study. This is important part of our classroom. What is this?
Book.
Book. We read these books. This is what? Notebook. Yes, we write in this notebook. We read this notebook. We give this notebook to teacher.
Pencil.
Pencil.
With the help of this pencil, we write.
Yes.
Ruler.
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 Yes. Draw lines with the help of ruler.
Sharpener.
Pencil
Pencil sharpener.
We sharpen the pencil with the help of sharpener.
School bag.
Bag.
School bag.
School bag. Water bottle.
Water bottle. Yes, pink or red water bottle.
Tiffin box.
Or lunch box.
Box.
You can say tiffin also or lunch box also. Okay?
Window.
Window.
Window. Yes. We have seen in the classroom. Window is
Yes.
Yes.
Door.
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 there. Yes. Good. To enter in the classroom, door is important. Tube light?
Tube light.
Light.
Yes. For sufficient light, tube light is important.
Fan.
Fan.
Fan is needed in the classroom, no?
Yes.
See, these are different things which we found in our classroom. Blackboard, desk, chalks, bench, chair,
Bench, chair, bag, pencil, book, table, sharpener,
whiteboard.
pen, whiteboard.
Now, homework for you all. Okay, pay attention. See, here you have to match the things with their spellings. Pen, pencil, book, ruler, rubber. Okay?
1 minute, teacher.
Full of the quiz. Also, what we are going to do, we'll match the things with the names. Okay, with the correct pen, book. So students, today we have seen the things in my classroom. What are the various things in my classroom? Which things I can see in my classroom, which I study, which I use every day in my classroom. Okay, what are the different things to learn, to study in my classroom? That those things we have seen today. All of you understood?
Yes.
Yes. Do you have any doubt in this?
No.
Yes, thank you so much. If you liked our video, please subscribe it and press the bell icon. Thank you.